Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to take your private keys in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, go to your settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will find various options here. Click on Take Private Key option. And you will see that there is a green box which says private keys are safe, and you will see a Check Private Keys button. Click on Check Private Keys and you will be prompted to enter your password. After that, type in your password here. Now click on OK button. Here you can see your private key by clicking on the search icon. So that is how you can check your private keys in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.